Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to refer any quiz to your friend on the Quizlet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Quizlet application on your device. And if you haven't already logged into your account, proceed forward with your email address and your password. After logging in, you will be taken into the homepage. Now, if you wish to refer any course, flashcard sets or textbooks to your friend using the Quizlet application, then first of all, just look for this textbook or quiz using the search box at the top. After finding any item that you would like to refer to your friend, you can click on the three dots at the top right corner from this page. This will now show you the share button. You can click on this and this will give you a link that you can directly share with your friend in order to refer them with this course or flashcard set. From the same three dots menu, you can also click on Add to Folder in order to add this to any of your folder or create a new one. After creating and adding this to your folder, you can click on Library from the homepage in order to view all of your folders. Now, you may also tap on any of your folder and click on the three dots at the top right corner to share this with your friend. Alternatively, you can also create new classes, and from the three dots menu at the top right corner, you can click on Invite Members and directly send the invite link to your friend. And through this method, you will be able to refer various different courses, textbooks, questions and flashcards to your friend on Quizlet. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to refer your friend various courses using the Quizlet app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.